Your question is, a money bill under the Constitution of India is tabled in the, your options are A. Rajya Sabha, B. Public Accounts Committee, C. Lok Sabha, or D. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha simultaneously. Right answer is C. Lok Sabha. Your question is, consider the following statements and select your answer from the quotes given below. 1. The governor does not have the power to appoint the judge of a state high court. 2. He is not a part of the legislature. 3. He has the power to nominate some members in the legislative council. 4. He has no judicial powers. Your options are A. 1 and 2 are correct, B. 1 and 3 are correct, C. 2 and 4 are correct, or D. All are correct. Right answer is B. 1 and 3 are correct. The governor does not have the power to appoint the judge of a state high court, and he has the power to nominate some members in the legislative council. Your question is, what can be the minimum strength of council of ministers including chief minister in the states? Your options are A. 10, B. 12, C. 13, or D. 14. Right answer is B. 12. Your question is, what is the source of interstate councils? Your options are A. Constitution, B. Parliamentary laws, C. Recommendation of Planning Commission, or D. Approved resolution by CM. Right answer is A. Constitution. Your question is, which one of the following is the time limit for the ratification of an emergency period by the Parliament? Your options are A. 14 days, B. 1 month, C. 3 months, or D. 6 months. Right answer is B. 1 month. Your question is, who was the chairman of the 12th Finance Commission? Your options are A. A.M. Khusro, B. K.C. Pant, C. Montek Singh, or D. C. Rangarajan. Right answer is D. C. Rangarajan. Your question is, the Planning Commission has been abolished by Prime Minister. Your options are A. Narendra Modi, B. Morarji Desai, C. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, or D. I.K. Gujral. Right answer is A. Narendra Modi. Your question is, an advocate may be specified by the state government for the purpose of conducting of cases in human rights courts as a special public prosecutor who has been in practice for not less than, your options are A. 5 years, B. 6 years, C. 10 years, or D. 7 years. Right answer is D. 7 years. Your question is, a member of a state legislature or parliament is considered an exception of disqualification on the ground of defection in India in which of the following condition? Your options are A. If he voluntarily gives up the membership of his original political party on being elected as chairman or vice chairman of any house of state legislature or of parliament. B. If he rejoins the political party after he ceases to hold such office. C. In both of these, or D. In none of these. Right answer is C. In both of these. Your question is, the Chief Election Commissioner of India is appointed by, your options are A. Lok Sabha, B. Prime Minister, C. President, or D. Chief Justice. Right answer is C. President.